Okay, let's do question number 8. Now I have drawn the diagrams of A, B, C, D and F. E part I will do it and rest of the parts I will just explain to you so that you will do by yourself. Students, if you are doing 3 parts on one page, so please first do the solution and then draw the diagram. Don't draw all the diagrams in one page and remaining parts are on other page. So how much parts you will do it on same page, please draw the diagram of that only. Okay, let's do the first part. X and 130 are given. So when you add up together, you will form a straight line. So what is the reason behind it? Linear pair. So how to write? X plus 130 equal to 180 and in the bracket you will write linear pair. And then you solve by yourself. I will not solve it. Now in this case, in B part, again B when you add up together these two angles, you will get a 180 degree, that is linear pair. So how to write? X plus 20 equal to 180 degree. Clear? X and X become 2x plus 20 equal to 180 degree and you will get the value of X. In the question it is written that find the value of X only. So there is no need to find out the angles. If you get, for example, if you get the value of X as 60, so this will be 60 and this is 60 plus 20, 80. Clear? I am giving an example although it is not 60. But if it is written find the angles, then you have to find out both the angles. But in the question it is written only find the value of X, so you find out only this. Now in this case, opposite. So X value will be 57, it is seen clearly, that is vertical opposite angle. Now in D part, again it is same as this, only the difference is it is drawn. If we hide this part of it, it will look like B and the tilted one. Yes, so when you add up these two, the sum will be 180. So how to write? X plus 80 equal to 180 and the reason is linear pair. Now in this case F, X and 2x add up together, again a straight line. So X plus 2x equal to 180 and the reason behind is linear pair. Now when you solve it, 2x and x become 3x. So 3x equal to 180 degree. So the value of x you will get it. Clear all of you? Now I am rubbing it and I am just doing the E part of it. These all parts you do by yourself. Now E part says that, students, E part is little diagram is little bit difficult. So first you draw V, that is x by 2. Then you draw one line here. Make 90 degree from this. This is x and this is also x. Now students, in this case, if you see this small square, it means it is 90 degree. Clear? Now there is no straight line. You can see that this is tilted, this is also tilted. So there is no 180 degree in this. But as you know, a complete angle will be of 360 degree. Yes. So we write x by 2 plus 90 equal to 360. If you wish, you can write it in the bracket complete angle. Here x and x become 2x. 2x plus x by 2 plus 90 equal to 360. Now this is constant. We send it to that side. 2x plus x by 2 equal to 360 plus 90 will be going that side, it will be minus 90. So 270 degree. Now we have to solve this part. Students, there is no denominator means 1. So LCM, now we have to do it with fraction only. Just you have to add x along with the numbers. So where denominator are 1 and 2. So LCM will be 2. Now make the equivalent. In one table, how many times 2 comes? 2 times. 2 into 2, 4x. Or you can write like this, 2 upon 1. How much you multiply to make, like you were making equivalent, how much you multiply to make it 2? 2 times. So 2 2s are 4. And x will be written as it is. Clear? Plus in 2's table, 1 by 2. How much we multiply to make 2? 1 time. So 1 along with x. So x. Either you can write 1x or you don't write it, it's same thing. Equal to 270 degree. Clear? 4x and x become 5x. 5x upon 2 equal to 270 degree. Now let's do the transposition. X equal, now 2 is in divide. Send it to that side, it will be multiplied. And 5 is in multiplied with x. So that side it will become divide. Now let's divide it. 5, 25, 4, 54. 54 into 2 is 108 degree. Students, you have to find only the value of x. So 108, 108 and 108 half is 54. So when you add up 108, 108, 54 plus 90, it will equal to 360. Clear? Thank you.